Hi friends, now we have Asus motherboard and also we have AMD processor. I will show you how to install the AMD processor in the board. Simple thing I will show you. In the board, you can see one arrow mark is there here. See here. And also in the processor also the same arrow mark will be there. See here. Okay, the same arrow mark should be there in the same position. First we need to open this. Okay, and then this arrow mark should be connected to the same arrow in the same position. Okay, see, the same arrow mark is there here and here. And then simply lock this. Okay, thank you.